me, Tisiamo, and this is VIO with Tisiamo. Today we're going to be talking about 10 reasons you are breaking out acne. Okay, now in between, I hope you guys are keeping safe. I hope you're sanitizing. I hope you're washing your hands, and I hope while you're at home you're being productive because it's very necessary. Now, in case you're wondering where I'm going to, honestly, I'm going nowhere. I'm just dressed up to make this video for you guys. And if you like my gorgeous hairstyle, I'll leave the link in the description. Do well to check it out, like the video, share the video please, comment, and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel because, well, it will help me create more content for you that you love, and I know you really want more content from this channel. So please support the channel by liking our videos, subscribe to the channel, comment in the comment section, tell me videos that you like to see, and I'll be right there on time on it. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. About 10 reasons why you are breaking out acne. These things are neglected, these things are overlooked, and trust me, they are the reasons why you are breaking out acne. They are the reasons why you are popping your face all the time. So the reason you are breaking out acne is you are not changing your pillowcase every week. Okay, I know it's taxing and I know it is sometimes frustrating, but this is one of the reasons you are breaking out acne. The sweat, the heat from your pillowcase accumulates into bacteria, goes on your face or on your skin, and brings out a result called acne. So you want to change your pillowcase every week. Okay, every week. It is very, very necessary. Number 2 reason you're breaking out acne is you do not clean your cell phone. Okay, bacteria and the heat and the sweat that accumulates on your cell phone from day to day, it causes you acne, because when you make calls, you have the phone close to your face. So those bacteria which have accumulated on your screen jump on your face and they cause you acne. Alright, so to avoid that, from time to time use alcohol-based cleansers, okay, not wet ones, alcohol-based wipes to clean your screen so those bacteria can go off, and when you make calls you don't have to get a pimple over the night or begin to break out severe acne at the end of the day. Okay, 3 reasons you are breaking out acne is because you do not clean your makeup brushes regularly. You clean them only God knows when. Now, I'm not judging you. Everybody has their own timing, and I know people feel so lazy to clean their brushes. Trust me, I am one of them. I feel lazy to clean my makeup brushes, but it's very, very necessary, okay, to clean your makeup brushes often. At least you can clean your brushes every once a week. They are very, very necessary to especially if you have oily skin. Okay, clean your brushes at least once a week. Clean your makeup to clean them, and if you have a fungi acne, you can use anti-fungal products, anti-fungal liquids to clean your brushes, and this is one of the reasons why you will no more break out acne anymore, because you've cleaned your brushes. Okay, because you're being a good girl, you're listening to everything that I say. Yeah. Okay, number 5 reason why you're breaking out acne is you are wearing makeup to the gym. Yes, you right there. You're wearing makeup to the gym, and that is so not cool. Okay, if you have acute acne and you have this low self-esteem of going out without makeup, well, when you're going to the gym, you shouldn't wear makeup. Okay, do not let your low self-esteem on that overwhelm you, because you're causing more acne for yourself by wearing makeup to the gym. Okay, do not wear powder, do not wear any form of foundation. Okay, because when you're sweating and doing that workout, nobody really cares how you're looking at that time. Everybody sees you like you've come to work out. Nobody even takes note of your acne. And besides, when you're sweating, the makeup breaks, which causes the makeup product to sink into the skin and bring you more acne problems. Okay, so it's really not necessary. All right, just don't go to the gym with your makeup on, and remember to wash your face immediately. Wash your hands, wash your face immediately you're back from the gym. While washing your hands and your face, use antibacterial and use your cleansers and face wash to wash your face immediately you get back from the gym. Okay, so if you have been wearing makeup to the gym, don't do that anymore. Okay. Now, number 6 reason why you're breaking out acne is what you have been eating. Yes, uses what you have been eating. Okay, I know a lot of us like chocolates, we like fatty foods, we like pizza, but well, sorry to break your heart, some of these foods are the reason you are breaking out acne, especially if you have a lot of oily skin, like your skin produces a lot of oil. It is very, very important that you stay away from certain foods from time to time. You can have these once in a while, okay? You can have fries once in a while, chocolates once in a while, cakes once in a while, but if you are a lover of them and you have you take them every time, it is one of the reasons you're breaking out acne. Okay, so you want to reduce your fatty foods, the way you eat, the way you consume oils, and I bet you the acne is going to reduce for good or go out for good. 7 reasons why you're breaking out acne is some of the makeup products you are using. Okay, if you're using fake makeup products or you're using a product with a lot of oil-based ingredients, then you need to stop doing that right now. Damage your skin. Alright, if you need to get good makeup products, see a professional consultant where to get good makeup products, but to buy authentic makeup products. There are a lot of very affordable makeup products out there. They're called drugstores. So see a consultant to know where to get really affordable and good makeup products. Okay, if you're looking for a consultant like that, well, you just found one right here. I'll leave my social media handle in the description. You can reach out to me and then we could, talk about how you could get really good and affordable makeup products so you do not have to damage your skin or break out acne anymore because you're using fake makeup products. Okay? Number 9 reason you're breaking out acne is some of your skincare and your hair care products. Okay, some skincare products are not suitable for you. They're not suitable for your skin. You might buy some products and they say this product clears acne, but instead it worsens the case. Okay, which varies. Okay, it varies from people to people. If you want to know more about that, I suggest to see a dermatologist or see a professional skincare expert that will tell you about products you should use. You check out the products you're using at the moment to know if this product causes you acne and what you can do about them. There's some products that cause you acne, but at the end of the day, they tend to take out your acne, but you need a professional to be able to know that. Okay, so don't just assume. Check the hair products you're using, check the skincare products you're using. They could be one of the reasons you are breaking out acne. Okay, so is you touch your face too much, especially when you haven't washed your hands. Okay, it is wrong for you to do that. You use your hands to do a lot of things throughout the day, so do not touch your face, okay, without washing your hands first. Do not pick your face or pop your pimples. It is wrong. It's going to cause you dark marks, it's going to cause you scars, dark spots that you do not want at all. You want to stay away from doing those things. They are bad habits, they are wrong, so don't do them. I'm not judging you. I do it sometimes. I used to do it rather, but when I discovered that this thing just wasn't the case, I stopped doing it. I stopped touching my face when I haven't washed my hands. And do not let anyone, okay, touch your face when they haven't washed their hands. It's totally wrong, okay, to touch your face. Make sure their hands are clean, make sure they've washed their hands, then they are free to touch you. Okay, so you guys, those are the 10 reasons you're breaking out acne, and I hope after this video you're going to sit down and check some of these things that you have been doing and stop doing them. Okay, questions. You can ask your questions there. I will definitely be answering them. And that brings us to the end of this video. I hope these tips are helpful to you guys. So this is BIO Remember to like this video. Please share this video, subscribe, and support us in content for you guys. It helps us a lot. Thank you so much for watching this video, and it's a bye from me. Oh wait, you're going to see 2 videos right here looking at you. Be sure to click those videos and watch them, okay? So